I was inspired to choose an apprenticeship as I wanted to go straight into work, as I feel like that's the best way that I learn and I can gain a qualification at the same time.
Libby's been doing really well at Chess Plastics. I think it's quite hard for young people to leave school and get into the working environment.
In my job role, I do a variety of accountancy-based tasks such as payroll, invoicing and reconciliation.
Obviously, we're supporting her with it. HWGTA also offer a lot of support. They come in and mentor her as well. But because she's taken over things like payroll and sales, invoicing, it's enabled us to concentrate on other aspects.
So I'm given more responsibility, treated more maturely, and I feel more listened to as opposed to a school environment.
The apprenticeship scheme that we have here has been running for a number of years. We've had quite a few apprentices come in and go through their total apprenticeship. It's great for us because we get to grow our own staff.
My employers have been very supportive, but at the same time they give me a lot of responsibility and trust to get on with my tasks by myself, but they're always there if I need them to support me. I get support from my tutors when I go for my training sessions at HWGTA. If I'm struggling or I need a bit of extra support, they're always there to help.
We're always hoping to offer the candidate a full-time position for the future. So we're hoping that Libby is here for many years.
My apprenticeship has helped me grow as I've already gained one recognised qualification, my AAT level 2, and I'm halfway through my AAT level 3, and hopefully I'll progress onto AAT level 4. So that's opened new opportunities for me in the accountancy world.
I'm pleased to announce that the winner of Commerce Level 2 Apprentice of the Year is Libby Hall. Well done, Libby.